Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to take a trip down memory lane and indulge in the raw power, iconic style, and sheer exhilaration of muscle cars. In today's video, we're diving into automotive history to bring you the 5 best muscle cars of all time. Number 5, 1967 Pontiac GTO. The 1967 Pontiac GTO, a symbol of American muscle car culture. Regarded as the original American muscle car, the Pontiac GTO got the trend going back in 1964. And in 1967 introduced the GTO with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine. The thunderous V8 put out 335 GP, but dealers were allowed to sell optional modifications that took that figure up to 360 GP and 438 lb-ft. Even so, many claimed that those figures were greatly underrated. While competing muscle car brands were coming out with more powerful models, Pontiac went on to release the 1969 GTO Ram Air 4 convertible, further cementing its legacy as not just a muscle car but a grand tourer as well. Number 4, 1969 Dodge Charger RT. The Dodge Charge RT was designed to be a Mustang killer. By shoving the 440 Magnum V8 engine under the hood and updating the suspensions and brakes for better handling, Dodge had created a worthy rival. Inadvertently, though, it has designed a style icon. Its Coke bottle side profile became so highly desired that many muscle cars that followed mimicked its design DNA. The RT, which stands for Rush and Track, quickly became the sought-after model for not just gearheads of the time, but also the silver screen. It's safe to say that the muscle cars of today owe their success to the Dodge Charger. Number 3, 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 Fastback. The Ford Mustang Boss. 429 Fastback was a limited production Mustang built to take on the Mopar Hemi in NASCAR. Legally, the 429 cubic inch V8 engine put out 375 GP and 450 lb-ft of torque, with the potential to see 500 GP through some light modifications. The iconic Boss exterior comes from the need to modify the bodywork to make the race-prepared engine fit, leading to the hood scoop. The chin spoiler was designed to improve the way it cuts through the air. Number 2, 1970 Chevrolet SS LS6. Having the mighty LS6 powering it, the Chevelle SS was indeed a worthy contender for the top muscle car of the time. Its 7.4-liter V7 engine churned out a dizzying 450 GP and 500 lb-ft, making it one of the most powerful cars of its time, and quite a handful. What elevated its status even more was its iconic design. Round headlights finish off either end of the long horizontal grille, extended buttresses that go all the way to the back, and vertical taillights. These design elements gave it a European look, giving people a lot to love about the Chevelle SS. Throw in the thick double stripes, and it became a fan favorite. Unlike the Mustang, which took to a more everyday muscle car concept, the Chevelle SS was reserved for drag racing enthusiasts and lovers of speed. This earned it the nickname King of the Streets. The coolest nickname any car could have. Number 1, 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. This is a slept-on gem from the 70s muscle car era. One of the best features of the 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda was its legendary 426 Hemi engine, which delivered 425 GP and 490 lb-ft of torque to its rear wheels in typical American muscle fashion. The powertrain meant that the Cuda went up against big names like the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Charger. Most notably, the Plymouth muscle car adhered to the rule book. It has the long, sweeping hood leading the charge up front, and a swooping coupe aesthetic finished off with vibrant colors like Tor Red and Lemon Twist. Often labeled as a street racer's car rather than a track muncher, the Plymouth Hemi Cuda quickly became a collector's item and a cult icon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and other cool content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.